How are you? Hope you're doing good. Happy holidays. I love being able to say that. So, Jessica here. Thanks so much for stopping by and coming to hang out with me for a little bit during another one of my unboxings. So what do I have today? I'm sure you saw in the title. I've got Glossybox. Yes, I do. Now, this is a special Glossybox. This is another limited edition box. This is their holiday limited edition Glossybox. And look at this packaging. I know. Glossybox was so generous to give this to me to review and share with you guys. In addition to that, there's also a link down below that'll give you a discount on getting your hands on this baby. I know. They're so awesome. I love when they do that. So, what is in here? Let's open her up and see. Look at this. When you open it up, well, you try not to let it all fall out, first of all. But look, this packaging is incredible. First and foremost, if you are looking for, gift giving or something unique to give as a gift, this would be perfect. And this is, I believe it's $35. And with if you use my link down below or my discount code, you get $5 off that. Yeah. So it comes with a little brochure, and it's the Glossybox Holiday Limited Edition box. And inside is a list of all the goodies we're getting in this box. You open up the tissue paper. Try not to make this fall. Look at the packaging. It's really just set up so nicely. Again, if you were to give this as a gift, or the presentation is just beautiful. Okay, I had to say that. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out, it's chilly because it's so cold outside. Okay, this is a dry shampoo. All right, let's get my glasses on so I can actually read. This says Authentic Beauty Concept Dry Shampoo, performance-driven vegan formulas free from microplastics, mineral oil, parabens, and silicones. And this is a texture dry shampoo, which I really do. I really like when the dry shampoos also add texture. This says the company is Authentic Beauty Concept. This is a deluxe mini. The dry shampoo, it is a deluxe mini. And the full size, which is 5.3 ounces, retails for $25. So the deluxe mini is $10. And you can purchase this at Ulta. Okay. Okay. So it smells good, which, I'm kind of really particular about what my dry shampoos smell like. This does definitely smell really good, but it does have a very slight baby powder smell, which I kind of don't like, but that's okay. It's fine. It didn't smell bad, so I'm okay with that. Okay, next is this baby here. And it's by Christopher Robin. Cleansing, volumizing paste with pure Rasool clay and rose extract. It's a unique blend of Rasool clay that helps preserve and enhance color while creating volume from the roots without weighing down your hair. So this is a hair product, and it is a deluxe mini. The full size is 75 milliliters and it retails for $19. The deluxe mini is 40 milliliters and it retails for $10.13. Okay. This actually smells really, really good. I wasn't sure it was going to because look at it. It looks kind of gross. Sorry. But it does kind of look gross. But it smells really good. Ooh. I'm excited to try this. Next is a full size from Cab Cosmetics. This is a strawberry daiquiri lip liner. It retails for $12. Perfect lip contouring lip liner. It's a mid-toned pink with nude undertones. Okay, so there's the color on it. I'm not going to open this up right now just because I've got so many of these open, but it is a like a sharpening pencil, which is fine. Okay, next we have, this is so pretty, and I'm totally gonna go use this today. Look at that. I love sparkly glitter polishes by Lauren B. Beauty. It retails for $14. It's gold and silver glitter nail polish. Okay, next is by Bio Silk. Silk is the Silk Therapy Original. Here's that. I mean, this is a pretty good size. This is a deluxe mini containing natural pure silk. Ooh, this weightless serum is great for taming frizz and preventing split ends, resulting in a beautiful shine. I love serums like this. Wow, we got quite a few hair products in here from Glossybox this month. Okay. It smells okay. I'm not like over the moon, like, oh my gosh, that's incredible. It's okay though. The deluxe mini retails for $15.95. And the full size is, okay, the mini is 2.26 ounces for $15.95. The full size comes in 12 ounces, and that retails for $49.70. That's an expensive hair serum, you guys. Wow. I'm definitely going to try that, though. For $50, it better give me, like, miracle hair. Okay. Next. Okay. Oh, what is this? It's a mask. Ms. Skin by Dr. Mariam Zamani. Hydra Lift Golden Facial Treatment Mask. Now, this is really interesting. It says it promotes skin cell repair, reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation, and helps even skin tone to restore a radiant and refreshed complexion. It's a two-piece mask. Look at that. That's different. This is a full size. That mask is $30. $30 for one mask. That's a bit much. Wow. Well, I'll definitely try it. Hopefully it works wonders. Okay, next we still have a couple more things. Is this Intraceuticals. Okay, there we go. That's the name. Intraceuticals. Anti-aging serum. Dramatically improves your skin's texture, radiance, and vitality with this rejuvenating serum with anti-aging ingredients. This is a deluxe mini of 15 milliliters. The deluxe mini, okay, this one of 15 milliliters retails for $74.50 for this baby. The full size is 30 milliliters and it retails for $149. Yeah. Holy carooly. All right, let's see what she does. Okay. Ooh, I didn't want to squirt out that much. It's like liquid gold here, you guys. All right, what's she smell like? All right, I think it's like fragrance free. Because I don't smell anything. But it definitely feels like a serum. It's super light. It's absorbing really quickly, but it feels really hydrating and dewy. Yeah, there's no smell to it. Oh, I'm really excited to get that product. Okay, now, last but not least, I thought this was really interesting, and I'm super excited to see what's in it. This is a travel buddy kit. Isn't that cute? Moisturizing mini kit. Healthy skin goes with you. Okay, when you open it up, there's a little case inside. And then it's a little travel buddy cheat sheet. That's super cute. Aww. Look. And then you get soothing occlusives, Balm Voyage. This is the Better Oil, nourishing emollients, hydrating water gel. Okay, and there's still something else in here. Mr. Reliable all-in-one moisturizer. So that's really cute. You know, like a nice, cute little travel kit. A little travel buddy retails for $35. Okay, so let's add up all of our goodies for a $35 box, which if you use my discount code, it'll be $30 for you, okay? Okay, so the total value of this box, it's $201.58. So, honestly, that's amazing. I mean, I think the only thing I'm a little, I guess, kind of hesitant about, or little on the fence, is that sheet mask for $30. I feel like that price is a little much. But there again, nowadays, you never know. So, I don't know. What do y'all think? I think that was a really good box. Just over $200 for, if you use my discount code, which is down in the description box, a $30 box. Glossybox has really been killing it with their limited edition boxes lately. These should do really well. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you scoop them up, because you never know if these are going to sell out or not. And use the link below, get your discount. In addition to that, the link below will also get you a discount on the Glossybox subscription. Let me know if you scoop one of these up. I definitely want to know. Well, thanks as always for coming to hang out with me. I do appreciate you guys so, so much. And I love you bunches. Make sure you keep up on Jeannie and I's channel, as we do have our 12 days of unfiltered Gusmas giveaways going on. Every other day is another giveaway. So look out in our videos for flashing keywords to include in your comment, and those keywords will be embedded in some of our videos. When you see them, include them in your comment, and that means that that video is included in one of the giveaways. So yeah, thank you guys again. I love you, and I will talk to y'all soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.